Meet the blue-fronted Amazon, a parrot with confidence, intelligence, and attitude. Native to the forests of South America, this beautiful bird is commonly found in Brazil, Bolivia, and Argentina. The bright blue patch on its forehead gives this parrot its name, while shades of green and yellow make it impossible to ignore. Blue-fronted Amazons love fresh fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts. A healthy and balanced diet keeps them active, playful, and full of energy. These parrots are known for their talkative and expressive nature. They enjoy mimicking sounds, learning words, and being the center of attention. Very social and emotionally intelligent, they form strong bonds with their caregivers. They also need mental stimulation and enjoy toys, puzzles, and interactive play. Without attention, they can get bored easily, which is why daily bonding and engagement are very important. With love, patience, and proper